The video you're seeing right before you is Mars. Yes, don't forget that we are currently living in a planet called the Earth. Before you is the Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Elon Musk has just previously announced that just very soon, about 6 months, that in fact there might be shortening the time of sending the first SpaceX Starship rocket to the Mars. That it is time to build a mega city, on Mars.
The trip to Mars is like, what, 6 months? Is that what the idea is?
When you want to go to Mars, you basically accelerate in the same path of Earth going around the Sun, and you time it such that your acceleration gives you an elliptical orbit around the Sun, where the tip of the ellipse intersects with Mars. So Mars is going around, and you just time it to coincide with the tip of your ellipse being Mars, and that turns out to be about a 6-month journey. There's only about a 6-month period every 2 years when Earth and Mars are aligned such that you can do the transfer. You can totally imagine that if Mars is on the other side of the Sun, you can't get there. This is like about a quarter of every Mars year is when you can do the transfer. So 6 months every 2 years. Now you can speed that up. I think, I could sort of see a way to make it happen in, say, 3 months, where the intersection with Mars would not be at the tip of the ellipse, but on the edge of the ellipse. That would mean the tip of the ellipse is out near Jupiter. So if you miss Mars, you're going to end up at Jupiter's orbit.
The important thing is that we build a self-sustaining city on Mars as quickly as possible. The key threshold is when that city can continue to grow, continue to prosper, even when the supply ships from Earth stop coming.
Now the big question, many are already asking, how much would a plot of land cost on the Mars? Now here it is. It seems or looks like Mars is going to be the next planet, to trigger civilization, according to Elon Musk, especially when there is a problem in this planet Earth, something like World War III, or something like pandemic, like we have COVID-19 in 2020, which showed the whole world shege. Don't forget that the Mars is like a planet as much as we have the Earth, but it's a very small planet. And more so, many would ask, why is Mars so reddish? Mars is called the red planet because of, the reddish, rusty soil surfaces. It has a very high concentration of iron oxide, and that is why it is called the red planet. Now let's talk about the comparison. The Mars has oxygen, it has carbon dioxide, it has nitrogen, it has water vapor. However, the bigger difference is